Is that kind of hard to do?
This one has been open, Mom.
That's okay.
I just got them.
Is that hard?
This would make it even.
Do it.
Daddy, I can't sleep.
Let's try
The neighbors again.
So close, buddy.
Bye.
Buddy.
Mom.
Say mama.
Mom.
Say Kaylee.
Bye.
Say Vaughn. I'm gonna turn that down. Are you watching this right now or are you gonna wait for him?
Bye.
So are you watching?
Okay.
My baby.
Say Raylan. Say happy.
Happy.
Are you big?
No.
Yes, you are. You're getting so big.
Happy.
Yeah, say Grayson.
Dada.
Good job. Say Brittany. Britt, good job. Did you say Taylor? No, say Taylor. He likes Brittany more than you, haha.
No,
I know, he just likes the name.
Mom.
Say Brittany.
Pet.
Say Mama.
Mama.
Say Aiden.
Mom.
Say Aiden.
Mom.
Can you say Buddy?
Bye.
Good job.
Bye.
Buddy.
Bye.
Say Vaughn.
Bye.
Say Raylan.
I'm glad you're excited.
No.
So say no, 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 no.
No. No, 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 no.
Where's Vaughn at?
Bye.
Where's Vaughn?
Bye.
He's sleeping in the back. Say Taylor.
Daisy.
Good job. Say Grayson.
Not that.
Is that hard?
That.
Say Grayson.
That.
Now Cambry.
Mama.
Is Cambry your mama? You called me Clarissa today. Say Clarissa. Say Clarissa.
That. Pizza.
Happy.
Happy.
Alright, say I love you.
Happy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Now wave. Wave to the camera. Bye-bye. Oh, high five. Knuckles. Alright. I can't get you.